Rebecca Satterwhite Shields says her elderly mother's house lost power around midnight last night. She says she reached out to Duquesne Light, and the company told her they'd get to the downed wires when they can. She's understanding, but at the same time, she wants results.
As you can see, it's been uprooted, and it's nowhere else. It's just right here on the power line. So my concern is, how long do we wait until it's removed? Get over here and fix it.
At one point, 100,000 Duquesne Light customers were without power. The company blamed the outage on high winds, saying more were likely as the day went on, meaning more places could look a lot like Kilmer Street.
Luckily, it missed my car, and it looked like it missed my neighbors and might just hit a little bit of her front yard. So thankful that everybody's safe and nobody got hurt.
Barbara Lewis also lives on Kilmer. She says it's never been this bad before, but she's giving Duquesne a break.
We're without power right now. House is cold, and it's okay though. They're working on it. I know that I've already contacted Duquesne Light.
And just want to give you one more look of this tree that was slightly uprooted in this front yard on Kilmer Street. And we have been keeping in touch with Duquesne Light. They have been working throughout the night, they say, to restore power to thousands of customers. And of course, as we get more updates on that, we'll tell you on air and online on WTAE.com.